What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, we need to talk about if you should buy Terra right now. Now, a lot of people are coming to me and saying, look, it's crazy that you made so much money off of $40 investment, but what should I do right now? Because I'm just seeing this and I thought it was dead, but now I'm deciding to get into it because it's up 2,000% or 300% or 400 or 500%. And the main question that I get is, should I buy Terra now, or where I should buy it, and what price did you get it at, and all this other stuff, right? But it's mainly around if they should buy it, right? People are trying to get in on the excitement, and I'll talk to you guys about the idea of buying it. I know this is I'm recreating this video, so it's definitely going to be piecemeal together, because I had a thought process when I created that video, but I am going to recreate what my thought process was. So hopefully it all sits in the right way. But if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one, because I am upset. I mean, Streamlabs seems to always mess up stuff. So maybe I should just stop using Streamlabs, because I recorded 3 videos. Well, 4 videos this morning. 1 video actually went through, and then I opened Streamlabs again, and all of a sudden, the audio wasn't connected and I didn't check it. So sort of my fault as well. But yeah, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you guys want to check out any of the links, or you want to reach out to me directly and let me know that my audio is not working, go over to Twitter and follow me on Twitter at Perry8K. The link will be down there in the description. So let's talk about Terra, right? Because Terra right now you see is at 0.0003924. It's up about 373%. It was up 2,000% this morning. We understand fluctuation, as we go from the 24-hour cutoff. We're looking at it at a very low price, what it was maybe 28 hours ago, but 24 hours ago, we start to see it obviously pick up in price. So when we look at it now, we're up about 350%, but we're hovering around the same price that we were, or close to, this morning. So it's not really a huge difference. Actually, we might be even a little bit more when I made that video. But right now our market cap is around $2.5 billion. You see the circulating supply is 6.5 trillion coins. The total supply is about 7 trillion coins. You also see the volume today up 440%, up to $7.3 billion worth of volume, which is definitely really, really good for this position. If we scroll down here and we look at the chart, this is the day chart, by the minute, so we can see how things were rolling. I basically made that video somewhere around here when we were going to see that double bottom. So we started to see that double bottom. I did say that we were going to see something pick up a little bit, and we could see it start to create higher highs and higher lows after creating these lower highs and lower lows, seeing a bounce at some of these lower levels there. So, the idea, or the question, should you buy Terra? It really all depends, and I hate to bring you to that answer, because it's the old accounting answer, is if it depends, and it does really depend. It depends on what you want to get out of it, right? Are you more short term that you want to gain out of it? Because I already gained, I just sold another $1,000 worth, so 3 million coins, not just now, it was like a while ago. So now I'm holding 20 million coins. And I'm looking for, if it does end up pulling back even more, then I can obviously buy in a little bit lower with those 3 million coins, or buying 3 million coins back, or buying 5 million coins back to get me up to that level. But I basically pocketed $5,000 from it short term. I do have a long-term goal in mind with Terra Luna, and we want to see if it can get back to normal. Now, we don't know if that long-term goal will be feasible, because we still don't know exactly what they're going to do with the project. We understand that they're looking to split UST and Luna, right? And keeping Luna as a separate project, and being able to, obviously it is a separate project, but something that's completely separate, not attached by an algorithm or an automated, way to peg to the dollar for UST. But we don't understand the vision and where it's going to exactly go, right? Are they looking to bring this supply down, or are they looking to completely ignore the supply to something completely different, maybe a volume 2 or something? We see that they're looking to reset the network with 1 billion coins. However, Are they looking to just use that billion to reset to give to people or do something for people? I don't know what they're looking to do with that. It's definitely not 100% clear, but we do have some detail, at least some information, right? So when I say, it depends, it really does. One, if it's short term, you want to be able to find the best price price point, best level to where you're looking at the chart and you're understanding it's hitting different resistance points or support levels, and you want to be able to buy at the lowest point that you believe that's going to get to in the short term, right? If you bought here and bought $1,000 worth and it got up to here, you obviously made some money out of it. And I said that while we were in the video, is that I thought we would see a little bit of a bounce here, and we did see a bounce within that range multiple times. It did not surpass this level, which I thought that was a very significant level. If it does break that level, then we might see a continuous downturn. We did not see that. Ended up increasing or bouncing off of that level before that level and finding a way to jump up. Now you're seeing it pull back down a little bit. So should you buy right now? It is on a little bit of a dip, and it again, it all depends. I'm not going to tell you exactly when to buy. Right now would be a good buying point compared to where it was up here. So when I look at Terra Luna, again, when I look at the amount that I have, I currently have 20 million. That's worth about $7,755. And I took $1,000 out. You can see here I have $1,000 in BUSD that's sitting in this value, and I'm looking to do something with that. Maybe put it into CRO or put it into Dogecoin or whatever. Most of the amount that I sold, I put it directly into Dogecoin, not because I believe in Dogecoin more than anything. I just wanted to put it into another project that I do have some faith in. But yeah, I think up 400% right now, it's something that you would sort of be chasing. And if you're not in it already, it's going to be tough for you to find a way to make that money on the way up, because we don't know what Terra will be, right? I'm hopeful that Terra will be something really big that we can all end up gaining off of, but we're not 100% sure what they're going to do in the end. We do have that information that, Do Kwon ended up talking about, when it comes to the 1 billion coins and resetting the network and all that, which I will get into in a future video, kind of just answering some questions, and one main question I'm getting over and over and over again. So anyways, guys, I'm sorry about the no audio in the last video. So I'll try and upload this as fast as possible and replace that video so you guys do have it. And hopefully it came soon enough. I still do have to record 2 more videos because 2 more videos are without sound. But again, to answer the question, if you should buy right now, it doesn't hurt to get your foot in the door, especially with 3 zeros. And I wouldn't say that you go all in. Going all in means that you see it at the lowest price it could possibly be, but we know that it was at a way lower price than where it is now. I bought 63 million coins for $40. So obviously we know it was really low. And now when you want to buy $100 worth, so if I decide to just take $100, that's going to get me 260,000. So there's a big difference between taking $40 and getting 63 million versus $40 and getting 103,000. So we know that it's definitely at a way higher price than where it was. So it really depends. I would say get your foot in the door, because it always helps to get your foot in the door, but set something for long term, set something for short term. Make sure you find a way to gain your profits as you go along, because remember, I've only invested $40 and now have realized what, $5,000, $5,000 plus at this point. So anyways, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. I'm sorry for the no audio. Also, if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can definitely follow me over there. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one.